morning and welcome to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that cold start. So, as you saw in the last video with the Mustang, I went ahead and lowered it, put in new shock struts, all that. And the main reason for doing that was I was getting issues with the previous ones I had from Monroe, creating a lot of noise and everything, and I'm pretty sure it was just the upper strut mounts that were causing issues. But even after I replaced them, I was still getting noise, so I'm like, well, it can't hurt to replace everything else. So I went ahead and got rid of pretty much all the Monroe parts, put in Coney shock struts, the new springs, Panhard bar, which was original, lower control arms in the rear, also original, got rid of those. And it was driving well for a while, then it started raining, and I guess the water and everything kind of started breaking it up again, whatever it is. So I'm still getting a pop and like a crack on sharp turns. See if it does it here, hang on. If I turn real sharp, there you go. Hear that? It's just like a pop and just a pop. So obviously it's not the mounts, shock, strut, springs, any of that crap, because it just replaced it. It's brand freaking new. So I'm thinking that the only thing that's left is the lower control arms in the front. And after doing some research, found out I messed up. I went ahead and bought the economy control arms. I thought I had gotten regular ones, but I went back with my order and everything when I originally bought new ones, and they're definitely not the great ones. They are, I think they're Moog is what they are. It's either Moog or Monroe, one of the two. Anyway, went ahead and bought the economy ones by accident. They're 84 bucks. The good ones are about 184 bucks. So that's probably where I'm having issues right now. Went ahead and bought new ones, and we're gonna go ahead and install those today first and get some breakfast, and then head on out over. So hope you enjoyed today's video, but that's kind of what's going on. On the bright side, this should definitely tighten up steering, get rid of that annoying noise, and I guess aside from really the upper control arm and the sway bars, everything on this car suspension wise has been taken care of. I mean, there's a few upgrades you can, maybe like a Watts link or something, but I don't track my car, and if I did, I'd have to see if it was actually an issue or not. Anyway, so enjoy the video, and I guess here we go. All right guys, we've arrived. Let's check out this box and see what we got. All right, sweet. Here's our first one. Check that out. We got ball joint. That looks a lot better quality actually than the other ones. There we go. Doesn't need to be greased or anything. Looks like it's good to go. Huh, I don't know what that is. So this is our first one. It's a little beefier than the ones that are on there. We'll compare it once it gets off. And then we can obviously presume our second one is in here, but I'm gonna open it up anyway. I just want to say thanks American Muscle for getting this thing here at a decent time, because I ordered this like literally 3 days ago. And it got here yesterday, which is 2 days for standard shipping, which is freaking awesome. All right, and there you have it. New control arms. Now let's go ahead and get the old ones off. Alright guys, so let's just show you what's going on. So, control arm, you can see is right here. Goes from here, some sand in there, but this bolt right here needs to come out. There's a bolt on the back side and the front side here that need to come out. And then right in here needs to come out. So pretty much what's going on is whenever this goes up and down, something, either this bushing in here is just loose or what. I don't know, something's up with it though. If anyone wants to know why you can't have nice things, it's because this right here. This is so stupid loose. Honestly shocked. I don't even know how I didn't notice this before. The problem is the freight has damn wrench to get in here either. And there's that turbo pipe right there, which means the other side is going to be even more difficult to get into. So I'm going to continue looking for the proper size. See if this will work. Nope. This 5/8 seems to be the only one that'll fit. No, certainly not right. Damn it. Well, I'm gonna figure something else out. Alright guys, I don't know if you can tell how ineffective this is, but there's the wrench in there. And I'm literally doing like part of a turn at a time. So tighten, remove, tighten, like one little half turn at a time. We're eventually gonna get this bitch tightened. At least the backside can't move. But like, if you're ever don't ever modify your car. Just not worth it. 100% not worth it from a maintenance perspective. Because like this stupid pipe right here, I was trying to get it off and I realized that they literally welded it to an engine mount. So I actually can't move it no matter what I want to do. I cut the weld, but then I have a loose pipe down there, which I'm assuming will rattle and make lots of noise. So I think I'll be able to replace this bushing down here by doing the reverse of what I'm doing right now. Just one little click at a time. This sucks, guys. So I'll get it eventually, but just good grief. I still got to replace that bushing too because it's no good. Not even asked me about the other side. At least the other side doesn't have turbo piping, but good grief. So here goes nothing. Continuing on. Heading got the car back down to the ground. I can't do anything about the sway bar bushings right now because I don't have any new sway bar bushings, unfortunately. Which kind of stinks because I would like to got that fixed. But on the bright side, I was able to tighten up the loose sway bar as it was. So at least I should be able to eliminate some of the noise. I'm still going to get a few creaks and pops here and there because that bushing is totally shot. Metal on metal is never good. So once I get a new one of those in, I'll be doing another video on installing that. The lower control arms, after all, did not install, as you can see they're right there. I do not have the proper wrenches to get underneath where I need to get, so I need to pick up some wrenches because it's the second time that's bit me in the butt. First time I was trying to do the rear upper control arm. So once I get some proper wrenches for that, I'll do an install for the lower control arms as well in the front. And then that would pretty much button up everything that has to do with suspension wise in this car. Really, that's, I mean, it rides on rails right now. Once I get this tightened up, it'll stop making little noises here and there. And it should be good to go. This one's definitely a maintenance issue. This is not really something I could have avoided. Just, I guess, 50,000 miles. I'm sorry, 68,000 miles now. This stuff starts going every once in a while. A little bit here and there. But yeah, if I could leave one piece of advice, don't turbocharge your car. It's an absolute pain in the butt to get through, but it's fun. Supercharger though, that's going to be your best bet. It'll leave all this area open. You can get in, do what you need to do without having any extra piping everywhere. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it was kind of a letdown. I'm going to go give this girl a clean because she is filthy right now. It's been about 2 weeks. It's been raining on and off since I cleaned her. And then after that, we'll go ahead and probably head back. I'll try and find the proper bushings, hopefully an upgraded pair that won't break as quickly or maybe a little stiffer. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But all in all, at least it wasn't the control arms because, again, don't have the right tools right now to get there. So that would have been a pain in the butt.
leave a like. If you have any questions, please give a comment. I hope you guys have a great day, and as always, give a subscribe, because if you want to follow this build, it's probably going to get better from here. Actually, I can tell you it will get better from here. And I hope you enjoy the growth of the channel and the car. Thank you very much.